Got a hit. Got a hit.
And they started unfollowing way quicker than I realized. If they're in the backpack with
There we go.
the sun off a little bit.
Got a little one on Topwater. Number one right there, a little Chapo. Well, I just had to get him unhooked. But there's number one. Not very far in, so I'd love to be able to keep Topwater or something like that all day. I'm using the black Chapo 90, I believe it is. So let's see what else happens. Oh yeah, it's oh my goodness. How'd I miss that one?
Someone come up and hit it?
Yeah, you hear that? It's right before this log. It's like a huge explosion. I know, that's what I did all week.
Did you?
I had to let 2 or 3 like come off because I didn't want to throw them in the boat. I had some like 17, 18 inchers hit and I'd fight them, but I'm like, I'm not throwing it in the boat. And then they came off.
I heard that.
There's one. Oh, a good one too.
Good.
He's not a giant, but he's a good fish.
No net.
Don't give me this treat. Good start right there.
That's awesome. That's a
Dude, that is a nice one. Oh yeah, I was hoping that Topwater would pay off. It's a 17 incher. I had a hit just back there and I was working down this bank, shady bank. Dude, there's 2 or 3 of them below me. Holy cow, they're right below me. Let me see if I'm gonna drop something in right now. I'm gonna let this guy go in just a second, but I wanna see if one of these other fish will hit. Dude, I saw other ones. I looked down. They're down there. They're down there. That is crazy. Let's get this guy back in the water. 17 inch. Beautiful fish. I got a fish on. I got a fish on. I got another one. That was one of the ones that were down there. My line got tangled up in my lure up there. Come here. Fish number 3. Nice 12 incher. I dropped the Helgramite down in there. And my line was tangled up. Oh, I see more of them. I see them. Wait, that's not a smallmouth. That's something else. There's definitely a lot of fish down in here. Man. Fish on! Got a little one. He's up here. Oh, well, he didn't last long. break time. So, Josh has prepared something, or he's about to prepare something. We're supposed to have some food today. And I was on board with this idea. They got a...
I gotta get some video of this stuff.
Oh yeah.
Like some cool videos for shot.
How far down, but better to sit down than not.
Dude, I could get this son of...
I gotta have my phone down there.
Oh no, how you feel Mountain Dew, John? Bass and brews, bass and dews.
That was an excellent little lunch break. Josh brought chicken and dumplings. We heated it up. I brought the little stove thing for it. And now we're both full, but I was gonna jump in and I didn't. Now I want to again, so I'll probably have to stop and jump in though. It's getting pretty hot out here. But back to the fishing we go. Little spotted bass. Really? Yeah. He hit that mag drive. Look how little he is though. Yeah. I've had a bunch of little follows. Nothing really been aggressive. Till about that 8-inch bass hit a 6-inch lure. You got a Sprite? I'll take it.
That's all I got.
I got water I'll give you.
Right? Thank you.
Canoes probably could, easy. Woo. It's flowing pretty good. There we go. Got a little one. Finally got one on the bull shad. Woo! It's been a little slow here today, especially since lunch. Nope, bring a rod there. I've been throwing this bull shad. I've had a few follows, but hasn't got quite the reaction that when I used it the other day at a different river. It's just a little smallie. Oh yeah.
Is it cold?
No, it ain't that cold, but it just feels good.
He said it just feels good.
Deep. Probably could take off one shirt.
How many shirts you got on?
Two. I mean, I just got like a sun shirt on over the t-shirt. Yeah.
Okay. For a minute, ain't you? I'm gonna get us on. We'll get you on video. Get us swimming. It's been fun regardless, though. That's the thing. These trips are still fun. No matter what.
That's the thing. Like if this doesn't turn into a video, it's still a cool day. Like I mean, And that's what people like. I hate that people don't see it. If it doesn't turn into a video, say something.
I'm
like,
turning it into a video because I'm just to the point where like add to it.
yeah, there's things, and people will enjoy. Like, oh, I'm glad that's cool that you stopped. Back in the kayak. Swam for a while. That was pretty nice. It was a hot day. Hopefully we get a few more fish here. Woo! Oh! Got some current today. Oh, gotta be a fish here. No. Where are these fish at? They should be munching right there. Ooh. Dude, how's there not fish here?
That's what that's my exact word. There's 3 fish right here.
I should catch 7 fish through here. Yeah. Fine. There's a solid one. Calm down there, buddy. Calm down.
What y'all just caught his?
You get it?
Yep.
Yeah, right behind that.
Oh, just come on.
Alright, that one slammed it out of some little shoals. Oh, that we're in right here. About time for another good one there. 14 and a half probably. There we go. Whew. Thought I had a hit over there. Oh, a little spotted bass. It's a, yep. Now these are, this should be regular, the true spotted bass, Kentucky spotted bass, because in this river, they shouldn't be Alabamas. I know I catch a lot of Alabama bass, but, oh wow. Oh, I wasn't even looking ahead. Woo! Flowing pretty good. Oh! I just lost a big one. He hit it right away. How? It's like swarmed it. Oh, lost another one. Ah, I saw him hit it too. It was really good. Like if you're river floating, small rivers, that's my thing. That's kind of my goal. My goal is like 3 or 4 over 15 inches is a good day.
Maybe we were thinking a little big this morning on the 18 and a half and 19s, but.
Well, I mean, I know they're here. I just couldn't figure. It was just weird the whole. What if we like went through here and caught like 7, you know, or something like that, like. Get it. I kept getting bites over there. Did you get it? Oh, that's what. I had some little bites over there. I think this is the last stretch. They're pretty close. Like it's like one big long stretch, I think. I remember this.